Welcome. In front of me I have TCL 20SE, and today I'll show you how you can enable or disable this Google button. So as you can see right now it's disabled and I cannot activate my Google Assistant, but if you want to get it and if you want to activate, you have to move for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and you have to go for accessibility. Right now find the Google Assistant features, there it is. So click here on this feature into the Start Google Assistant and take a look. Right now when you press on it, the Google Assistant will be activated. And we can also activate this option when the screen is turned off. Take a look. So when you press it, Assistant is activated. And if you want to get rid of that, turn it off, and just tap on the buttons like that. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.